I'm Tammy. I'm a CPB, Certified Professional Bookkeeper. Today I'm talking about what's going on with Wagepoint and the statutory holidays, or public holidays as they may be called, in your province or territory. What we're finding, which Wagepoint tells us straight up that they do, is that they've got a whole list of statutory holidays that get put in, and then you need to edit those to match your province or territory. I'm going to actually walk you through those steps as I do it in one of my files. Now it's going to be a shorter list because it's just the list of what's left, but I'm going to show you how to physically remove those extra holidays. So you're going to need to research in your province what are the mandatory holidays that you pay, or maybe there are some that you'll choose to pay as well. Recently, September 30th was added, the National Day for Truth and Reconciliation, which is a federal statutory holiday. And if you want to know if you have to pay it out or not to your employees, I've got a video I did earlier that I can link to right here. But as for what you're paying and what you're not paying in Wagepoint, that's something you have to control, and it's very simple to do. So let me get over to my computer and walk you through those steps. Okay, so now that I'm logged into Wagepoint, I'm going to follow their instructions. So if you go to their email, it says that you need to navigate to Company, Company Holidays. Here are the upcoming statutory holidays up until New Year's Day of 2022. So in Ontario, we don't pay Remembrance Day as a stat, so I'm going to go ahead and remove that. And I can go ahead and remove National Truth and Reconciliation. Pretty straightforward by clicking on the trash can right there. This is something that you're going to have to monitor every year. Every January is when I recommend doing it. It's like the first thing I do when I start my new year is I go through the holidays and I remove the ones that aren't statutory holidays for our location. I hope that was simple and straightforward. That's the name of the game here. We're trying to have simple solutions to help business owners have more balanced lives and less stress. If you've liked what you watched today, please give me a big thumbs up. I need to know what content is helpful for people. Feel free to share this with other business owners you know this affects. And as always, if you're interested in more content like this or other content to try to help make business owners' lives less stressful, feel free to subscribe.